Hi students, today we discuss about the covalent bond. So it is the one of the important topic in the chemical bonding lesson. So covalent bond was proposed by Lewis. First we discuss about the definition. A bond is formed by the mutual sharing of electrons in between the two or more atoms in a molecule, that is called the covalent bond. Here the important word is the mutual sharing. Suppose in a bond two atoms are participated. The two atoms equally sharing the electrons, one or more electrons. That bond is called the covalent bond. Here the electron pairs are shared between the two atoms, so the covalent bond is also called the electron pair bond. And also molecules are formed like that, H2, O2, N2. Molecules are formed. So this covalent bond is also called the molecular bond. So covalent bond was proposed by Lewis. It also called the electron pair bond and also called as the molecular bond. Based on the number of electron pairs shared between the two or more atoms, the covalent bond is classified into three types. First one, single covalent bond or single bond. Second one, double covalent bond or double bond. Third one, triple covalent bond or triple bond. Now we discuss one by one. Single covalent bond or single bond. In this, only one electron pair shared between the two atoms. Only one electron pair shared between the two atoms, that is called the single bond. Example, hydrogen molecule. H, it is indicated as a symbol H. Hydrogen atomic number 1. Hydrogen atomic number 1. Electronic configuration 1s1. So hydrogen contains only one electron. Another hydrogen contains one electron. To get the octet configuration or doublet configuration, hydrogen requires the one electron. To get the doublet configuration, hydrogen requires the one electron. So this hydrogen atom sharing the second electron, this hydrogen atom equally sharing this electron. So these two hydrogen atoms to get the doublet configuration, so equally sharing the electrons in between the two atoms. So that bond is indicated by a H comma H. Only one electron pair shared between the two atoms, so it is indicated as the one single bond. Example, H2. Double bond or double covalent bond. Two electron pairs shared between the two atoms in a molecule, that is called the double bond. Example, O2. Oxygen atomic number 8. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here the valency electrons are 6 valency electrons are present in the oxygen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another oxygen atom, they having also 6 valency electrons. Here 6 electrons are present. It requires 2 electrons to get the octet configuration. This oxygen also, they get the 2 electrons. They having the octet configuration. So here the two oxygen atoms equally sharing, this oxygen atom shares these 2 electrons, they get the octet configuration. This oxygen also, they having the 6 electrons, it also sharing these 2 electrons to get the octet configuration. Once observe this one, this oxygen atom 6 electrons, these 2 electrons 8 electrons. This oxygen atom, first electron oxygen atom also 6 valence electrons, it's sharing the 2 electrons. 2 atoms to get the octet configuration. Here only 2 electron pairs are shared between the 2 atoms, so that is called a double bond. Remaining electrons are not involved in the bond formation. These are called the lone pairs. Next, third one, triple covalent bond or triple bond. Example, nitrogen molecule. It gives the N triple bond N. Nitrogen atomic number 7. electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Here nitrogen atom contains the 5 valency electrons. Nitrogen having the 5 valency electrons. Another nitrogen atom having the 5 valency electrons. Each nitrogen requires 3 electrons to get the octet configuration. So first nitrogen atom sharing these 3 electrons, it get the octet configuration 5 plus 3 8 electrons. This nitrogen also sharing these 3 electrons, it also gets the 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So 2 atoms equally sharing the 3 electron pairs to give the triple bond. Remaining these electrons are not involved in the bond formation. So nitrogen gives the triple bond. So the total number of electron pairs shared in between the 2 or more atoms, the covalent bond is classified into 3 types: single bond, double bond, or a triple bond. If only one electron pair is sharing between the 2 atoms, that is called a single bond. Example H2. 2 electron pairs are shared in between the 2 atoms, that gives the double bond. Example O2, O double bond O. Next one, 3 electron pairs are shared in between the 2 atoms to gives the triple bond. Here one important point is there. The electrons are involved in the bond formation, that are called the bond pairs. The electrons are not involved in the bond formation, that are called the lone pairs. Once observe this one in the nitrogen, we are taking the example. In this, 3 electrons are participated in the bond formation, it gives the triple bond. So these are called the bond pairs. These electron pair, this another electron pair, these 2 electron pairs are not involved in the bond formation. So these 2 are called the lone pairs. Lone pairs. Bond pairs means the electrons are involved in the bond formation, that are called the bond formation. The electrons are not involved in the bond formation, that are called the lone pairs. Thank you for watching the video.